Timing is crucial when it comes to planting seeds. Here are some tips to help you get it right. 1. Know your frost dates. Find out the average last frost date in your area for spring planting and the first frost date for fall planting. This helps you plan when to start seeds indoors or directly sow them outdoors. 2. Read seed packets. Seed packets often provide guidance on when to plant based on your location. They may suggest starting indoors a certain number of weeks before the last frost date or direct seeding after the last frost. 3. Start indoors wisely. For plants that require a long growing season or are sensitive to cold, start seeds indoors several weeks before the last frost date. This allows seedlings to be ready for transplanting once the weather warms up. 4. Direct sow for hardy plants. Some seeds, like root crops, carrots, radishes, and certain herbs, basil, cilantro, are best sown directly into the ground as they don't transplant well. Wait until after the last frost date and when soil temperatures are suitable. 5. Consider soil temperature. Seeds germinate best when the soil temperature is right for them. Use a soil thermometer to monitor soil temperature and plant seeds when it's within the recommended range for each type of plant. 6. Check moisture and weather. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged when planting seeds. Keep an eye on the weather forecast to avoid planting seeds just before a heavy rain or during a cold spell. 7. Succession planting. To extend your harvest, plant seeds in batches every few weeks rather than all at once. This staggered planting ensures a continuous supply of fresh produce throughout the growing season. 8. Use a gardening calendar. Keep a gardening calendar or use a gardening app to schedule planting times, record observations, and plan for future seasons based on your local climate and growing conditions. By paying attention to these timing tips, you can maximize the success of your seed planting and enjoy a bountiful garden throughout the year.
By following these tips, you can create a productive and enjoyable kitchen garden right at home. 1. Choose the right location. Ensure your kitchen garden gets plenty of sunlight at least 6 to 8 hours per day and has good drainage. 3. Prepare the soil. Work on improving your soil quality by adding